All right, well, my Cricut beginners at this, we're going to have a Cricut beginner t-shirt making. So right now we're about to make a t-shirt. I'm pre-pressing my shirt for 15 seconds to get the moisture out of the shirt. And then I have my t-shirt alignment tool, which you can get that same alignment tool in my link in bio under my Amazon storefront to make sure that I put my vinyl down far enough underneath the collar and make sure it's centered. So right now I'm just using my ruler to measure the sides to make sure, of course, that my image is centered. So when you're pressing vinyl, when you're doing a vinyl t-shirt, if it's just one color, one design, one layer, all you have to do is just you press it and you press for 15 seconds. Boom. If you use the CWA vinyl. Now, because I have different colors and different strips for each line, I'm only pressing the vinyl just long enough to make the vinyl stick to the shirt. So I'm not pressing for a full 15 seconds for each color vinyl. So like where the white for the I am a girl, I only press for maybe like 5 seconds, just long enough to make it stick. Then the yellow, maybe 5 seconds. So each line I'm only pressing it for maybe 5 to 7 seconds just to make the vinyl stick to the shirt, because every time you closing that heat press, it's getting heat on it. So you don't need the full 15 seconds when you have to do multiple layers like what I'm doing right now. And I have my heat press set to 325 degrees. I do have a clamshell heat press. I have that in my link in bio as well. But like I said, each line, so right here I was struggling with the vinyl, so I just peeled on the other side. I love Caesar Easy Weave vinyl because it weaves easy. When you're pressing the vinyl, you don't have no problems with it. And if you have a little trouble like what I had just then, it's like really easy to come up. So yeah, so if you have any questions about Cricut Design Space, how to make a t-shirt, vinyl, even sublimation, ask me, comment below. I'll get the questions answered for you. Thank you for crafting with April. I'm your craft tutor.